This is their festival. Yeah. It's all the tents right there. Yep. Okay. Let's go see what it's all about.
Yeah. How are you guys doing?
We're doing good.
Good. These are all my chainsaw carvings. They're all chainsaw except for the eyes.
They're really good.
Thank you. I appreciate that. If you guys are interested in anything specific, everything has prices on the bottom or the backs of them. Awesome. Yeah, and I just did these slabs today or yesterday.
Suitcase worthy.
Yeah.
Woohoo!
I just got those business cards in. I'm really excited about them.
Oh, look at that.
Those are $5.
I was looking for a 2X.
Yeah, they do have.
Are you a security? Hey, mister, are you security?
Oh, no, I'm just here on visiting.
Oh, my bodyguard?
Well, yeah.
Well, look, I like this. They got bags out for trash. This is a little bitty thing. And look at all the tables for eating. Yeah, exactly. Pretty awesome. I think Bobby's going to see what the food is. He wants to check out that situation. Wow.
Here, I'll turn the thing over. You can have this side, Bob. Here.
Gotcha.
Here. Here, I'll let you do that one. Turn it around. Any good? The Cajun one is really good.
We got a Cajun here too?
Yes, I got a Cajun one.
Oh, Lord.
Oh,
That's
Lord.
not hard.
But it's
Listen
not,
to
it's
me.
not
Oh,
hot
Lord.
and spicy.
It's not?
No. They
I
don't
do.
like
Would you like big bills or little bills?
Well, big bills a little bit. What?
Ghost milk. Oh, this is body butter. So yeah, Bug Off does double duty because why not, right? So it's going to moisturize. It has citronella, peppermint, cedarwood, and lemongrass essential oils. So for the Bug Off, body butter is all neck down. You're good to go. Bug Off, I say around the ears. That's going to give you good coverage for your face.
Thumbs up.
Oh.
Give me a thumbs up. There you go.
And she belongs to school.
Yeah, that's fine.
Y'all look at the mountains in the background. How cool is that?
Just open it and just
What do you think, bearded one?
I'm festive at the festival. No, she makes these soaps and the lip balm. She makes all of this stuff from goat's milk, her own goats.
smalls are $8. The bigs are 25.
Wise and right.
And if you're
Warm.
debating between the two,
Awesome.
as long as that.
If you I like it, but if you like
Sterling, Alaska.